I know it. You want your house to smell good. And you spray all kinds of things in it to make that happen. And you know I always say don't spray chemicals around the house. So I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy air freshener that's all natural. And you're going to love it. So easy. We're going to take 3/4 cup of water. Now this is our basic recipe. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of either vodka or alcohol. Now, I'm going to use the vodka. I just like working with vodka. I mean, there isn't anything bad about it, right? And then we're going to take some essential oil, any fragrance you like. For me, I'm going to use some lemon today. And I'm going to put in about 10-20 drops. That seems about right. Now, you can smell it, and if it's not good enough for you, you can change it. Now, that is our basic recipe that we made, and it's going to make orange air freshener. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little funnel, put it over my labeled bottle, and I'm going to pour it in. But what you can do when you're making this, and I do it frequently at home, is I divide this out into different containers and I use different fragrances. So this would be my orange fragrance. That is for like the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, anywhere like that. For the bathroom, I take 6 drops of tea tree oil, 4 drops of lemon, and 8 drops of eucalyptus. Mix them in, pour it into one, put it in the bathroom. It is a great antimicrobial, antibacterial freshener that makes everything smell great. The vodka, in case you're interested, it actually makes it disperse better from the sprayer, and it also makes it dry fast so it never lands on anything and leaves a mark. So if you want your house to smell good, get on it. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.